Believe in yourself. Life lesson moral story. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Relax your mind and body. While you listen to this story, your English will improve naturally. Your confidence will grow slowly. Just listen and relax. There was a small village near a river. In that village lived a young boy named Arav. Arav was very kind and honest. But he had one big problem. Arav did not believe in himself. He always thought, I am not good enough. I cannot succeed. I am weak. Whenever he wanted to try something new, his fear stopped him. In school, Arav was average. Other students were confident. They answered questions loudly. But Arav knew the answers too. Still, he stayed silent. He was afraid of making mistakes. He was afraid of people laughing at him. One day, the teacher asked a question. Arav knew the answer very well. But he did not raise his hand. Another student gave a wrong answer. The teacher corrected him kindly. Arav thought, even if I am wrong, nothing bad will happen. That day, a small thought entered his mind. That night, Arav had a dream. He saw himself standing in front of a mirror. The mirror spoke to him. The mirror said slowly and calmly, why do you doubt yourself? Why do you fear failure? You have the same ability as others. Arav asked, but what if I fail? The mirror replied, failure is not the end. Failure is a lesson. Then the mirror said one powerful line. If you do not believe in yourself, no one else will. Arav woke up. His heart felt different. His mind felt lighter. Next day, Arav decided to try. In class, the teacher asked a question again. This time, Arav raised his hand. His voice was low. His hands were shaking. But he spoke. His answer was correct. The teacher smiled and said, well done, Arav. That smile changed something inside him. After that day, Arav tried more things. Sometimes he succeeded. Sometimes he failed. But he did not stop. When people laughed, he remembered the mirror. When fear came, he told himself, I believe in myself. Slowly, his confidence increased. Slowly, his English improved. Slowly, his life changed. One day, the school announced a speech competition. Arav wanted to participate. But fear came back again. What if I forget? What if I fail? Then he remembered. Courage begins with belief. He practiced every day. He made mistakes. He corrected them. On the competition day, his heart was beating fast. But he went on the stage. He spoke slowly. He spoke clearly. He spoke confidently. The audience clapped. Arav did not win first prize. But he won something more important. He won belief in himself. Years passed. Arav became successful, not because he was perfect, but because he believed in himself. He understood one truth of life. Confidence creates success. Belief creates courage. Moral. Now listen carefully. Repeat these lines in your mind. I believe in myself. I am capable. I am confident. I learn from my mistakes. I am not afraid to try. I trust my abilities. Remember, believe in yourself, even when no one else does. Your belief is your power. If you like this story, listen again while sleeping. Your mind will remember these words. Subscribe to Daily English Marathi for more English listening practice.